This short video will quickly explain the steps to make your own wearable Ironman arc reactor, designed for Halloween in mind. Print the necessary parts in translucent PLA with up 20% infill. Add masking tape as shown and then apply silver paint, which will help with light reflection. We are ready then for the printed circuit board's preparation work. Remove any imperfections from the PCBs before the soldering process. Apply lead-free, no clean solder paste to the PCBs. Then place the SMD components and complete the soldering process with a heat gun. We are now ready for the electronic modules assembly. 22 gauge copper magnet wire was used to power the LED modules. Once everything is soldered together, we are ready for testing before completing the assembly and adding the final touches. Epoxy resin can be applied to the voltage regulator to keep it in place. Schematics, 3D designs, and more technical details are available in the project page. Thanks for watching.